Assalamualaikum everybody. Today it's my very honest review about this product, and that is it's an amazing product, and that is Dr. Asheel Vitamin C Serum. I have bought it for 1000 rupees. 800 was the cost. There was discount on the Insta page of Dr. Asheel products. That was the official page of Dr. Asheel products. So 800 was the cost and 200 was delivery charges. It took 5 days to deliver, I think. And look, Dr. Asheel is embossed over it. It's the mark for the original, and it's very good and amazing. I've used it because I was using vitamin C serum by SL Basics. Before that, I have uploaded the review on that. That was good and natural, but it was very slow. It was effective, but the effect was very slow. So I wanted something with hyaluronic acid. That's why I have switched on this thing now. But I wanted to play safe, so I didn't go towards some expensive serum. So I heard about this serum and I thought that I should try it, and after that I will decide what should I use. So I have tried this. I have finished 2 bottles and I really liked it. Now it's the part of my daily skincare routine, and I love to talk about this because it's very effective. It's changed my skin's pigmentation and reduce the pigmentation and enhance the glow, because it has this face serum contains hyaluronic acid, and it literally anti-aging, brightening, and it's repair our damaged skin cells, and it's protecting our skin and improve the skin elasticity, because hyaluronic acid is very effective. It nurture your skin. It's protect your moistures to evaporation, and it comes in this 500 ml bottle. Look, I have added vitamin E capsules in it. I have also uploaded that review on that, why I have added vitamin E capsules in that. I will put that link in the description, and you can check out those videos as well. And it's really effective. And even I have uploaded a video on how to apply serums on your face, the actual and ideal method to apply. So now let's again come to the review. So go and use it. It contains hyaluronic acid and vitamin C at the same time. These both things are very amazing for your skin. It works on your skin, and literally I felt the glow on my skin. I felt that my pigmentation reduced, and even it reduced my wrinkles. It closed my open pores literally, and it reduced the blemishes. But that was my experience, and I don't know what about you guys. Use it and then let me know that how you felt it and how you what you say about this product. Either you are satisfied or not, but really I used it, and it's not too the good thing is that it contains vitamin C and hyaluronic acid at the same time, but it's not too expensive and it's easy to find. It has a dropper and it's 50 ml bottle, I think. I don't know they have mentioned it or not, but they didn't mention the ml of bottle, but I think it's 50 ml. So you can use in your skincare routine, and it will literally help your skin to get in a normal texture. And hyaluronic acid is also very good for our skin. It's so that was my review. Go and check it and use it, because I've used it and I was very satisfied and happy. I got a product which is effective and not too expensive, so you can find it and use it. Okay, my consistency of this serum is foggy because I have added vitamin E capsules in this. That's why it looks foggy, but in fact it's transparent kind of fluid in that. And the bottle is orange, I think. Not sure but it's just, I think. I was using vitamin C serum by SL Basics before, and it was expensive. That's why I just read this bottle. It's totally not the paid promotion. I've used it and it was effective. After using, now I'm giving you review. It's not like that I didn't use it and I'm just talking about this. I've literally used it and I found it good. It's not paid, so you can go and use it. It's up to you. Don't think like that somebody paid me for this and that's why I'm promoting this stuff. No, whatever I talk about in my videos is only on my observations and what I think. It's not paid. It just I fail, then I talk about that. Whatever I feel, I love to talk in my videos.